guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Princess, and in this video I'm going to be doing this golden eyeshadow makeup with nude lips, and if you want to see how to do it, then just keep watching. Let's start, shall we? So first I'm taking Too Faced HangoverX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray and spraying it on my face. Then I'm taking HangoverX Face Primer and priming my face. For foundation, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. First, I'm applying it with a brush. Then I'm going in with a damp beauty blender and blending it all out. I use the Makeup Forever Camouflage Concealer to conceal under my eyes. Then I'm taking LA Girl Pro Conceal and applying it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin and around my lips. So basically I'm using it to highlight my face. Then I'm just blending it all out. I'm also applying it on my smile lines and on the sides of my forehead. I don't want to put it in the middle of my forehead because I already have a big forehead and I don't want to highlight it. But if you want to highlight it, then you can go ahead and put it right in the middle. I'm using a beauty blender to blend it out a little more. Then I'm taking NYX Wonder Stick and I'm only going to be using the darker side because I'm only going to be contouring with this. So I'm applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, the sides of my nose, my forehead and the sides of my jawline. Then I'm blending it all. I'm using my fingers to blend my nose contour. I'm slightly going in with a damp beauty blender to make it all look a little more natural. Then I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit with Kat Von D Shade and Light Brush. I'm taking this shade. I'm applying it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my smile lines, around my lips, my chin and my forehead. I'm basically setting all of that concealer and highlight. Then I'm taking these two shades together and applying it on my contours to set all of that cream contour. I'm taking this shade for my jawline. Again, taking this middle color for my nose. I'm using an eyeshadow blending brush for this. For eyebrows, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and this is how they look. To prime my eyelids, I'm using Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. And for eyeshadow, I'm taking Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette and it's so pretty. Taking the shade Rolling in Dough, I'm applying it all over the lids. I'm using a big fluffy blending brush. Taking the color Cocoa Truffle on a blending brush, I'm blending it slightly above the crease. I'm taking the color Decadent and applying it right on the crease with a crease blending brush. Taking a small shader brush, I'm applying the same color on the outer lids and on the inner lids. I'm blending it properly with the crease blending brush again. And then the main color, chocolate gold, I'm applying it on the middle of my eyelids with a big shader brush. With the crease blending brush again, I'm blending the corners a little bit to make them look a little more blended. I'm also blending the crease a little more. Taking the color Rich Girl with a pencil brush, I'm applying it on the inner corners of my eyes, or the tear duct area as it's called. This really opens up the eyes. Taking the color Decadent and Cocoa Truffle together, I'm applying on my lower lash line with a crease blending brush. You can use a smudger brush or a small shader brush or any other brush that suits you. For mascara, I used Benefit's Bad Girl Bang Mascara off camera. For lashes, I used Huda Beauty No. 10 Lana lashes with Duo Eyelash Adhesive, and this is how they look. For lipstick, I'm using Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Dolce K, which is one of their original shades and my favorite. I'm lining and filling my lips with the lip liner. I used the liquid lipstick on top of it off camera, and this is how it looks. Then I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit and taking the color Glow Getter, I'm highlighting my face with it. I'm highlighting my cheekbones, the sides of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. I'm also highlighting my collarbones and my shoulders. Finally, to set all of that makeup, I'm taking Urban Decay All Nighter Oil Free Makeup Setting Spray and spraying it on my face. I changed my outfit and I'm brushing my hair, trying to make it sleek and all pushed back. As you can see, I'm also wearing these sleek long earrings. For full details on what I'm actually wearing with this look, like the dress, the shoes, the bag and the accessories, look into my Instagram. You can wear this look on a date night, prom, or a girls' night out, or actually anywhere you want to. And if you do wear this look, then let me know in the comment section down below. You can keep your lips matte and yummy, or you can add a lip gloss and make them juicy. For lip gloss, I'm taking Kylie lip gloss in the shade Like and applying it right in the middle of my lips. I forgot to apply it before the setting spray, but anyway. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you really did, then make sure to hit the thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell right beside the subscribe button to turn on notifications. So this is it for this video, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.